Up Nation, back with another one. It's been a while since I did one of these, so hopefully I ain't rusty. We got a shipment from our good pal Booze Brothers South, our cousin Justin Welsh. We appreciate it. This one's from his second hometown, called Little Wing, the Canary Brewing Company. It's a blonde ale, 16 ouncer. 5.5% booze. Like me some blonde ales. We'll see how she goes. I don't have a glass, so I am a little rusty. Miss seeing y'all. Some things went down. My life, new job. So we're pushing through. It's been a while. Love y'all. Thanks for the support. Little Wing. Here we go. One of my favorite songs, by the way. Hopefully this beer lives up. Man. Canary Brewing. Good beer. It's a combination of our favorite base malt, house yeast, and Eldorado hops that makes this blonde ale a crisp and refreshing anytime beer. That is the truth. I dig that one. Canary Brewing out of Mooresville, North Carolina. Home of Booze Brothers South. Appreciate your shipment. If you're in the Mooresville area, give these cats a try. That's an all-dayer. One chug's the rule. Thanks for the support. We love y'all. 8. That's definitely in the 8s. 8-4.